Ticket counters at selected railway stations across the country started functioning today. Almost 2 months after they were closed due to the coronavirus lockdown, the railway reservation counters were opened today. In Mumbai, the ticket reservation counters were opened, the railway employees were seen wearing a mask, and sanitizers were kept on their desks. The passengers were asked to stand in a queue following the social distancing norms. The railway will start 200 non-AC passenger trains from June 1st. Earlier on Thursday, online tickets were booked for these trains, but people complained that the IRCTC website was not running properly. However, the railways claimed that more than 4 lakh people had booked the tickets in just 2.5 hours. Around 12,000 railway trains across the country were stopped from 22nd of March on the day of Janata curfew. Railway informed that from Friday, ticket bookings and cancellation of the bookings will be possible through the Post Office, Passenger Ticket Facility Center licensee, and the authorized agents of IRCTC. Apart from this, the passenger centers will also have this facility at the passenger reservation system counters and common service centers. Railway Minister Piyush Goyal said on Thursday that we have to take India to normalcy. He informed that more trains will be announced soon. For ticket bookings, the zonal railways will decide the ticket counters. The facility will be at 1.7 lakh common service centers in the country. People will be able to book the tickets offline by visiting these centers. He said that in the coming days, he will give permissions to run many more trains and also to open shops at railway stations. Bookings for these trains running from June 1st has also become entirely full. Railway said that 1,49,025 tickets were booked for the first set of 73 special trains in just 2 hours. In the next 2.5 hours, this figure reached more than 4 lakhs. All the trains were full for a week. More than 100 waiting tickets were also made. These 200 trains will run in addition to the existing 15 AC trains and Shramik special trains across the country.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.